Hi guys! Today we're gonna make a very yummy, delicious Pancit Palabok.
Ay, wow!
So these are the ingredients that we needed. Citroen, green onions, shrimp, bean curd or tofu, pork, fried pork, eggs, boiled eggs, sauce from Mapapa Palabok, Bihoen or Mihon. So let's start. Cut the bean curd into small pieces or in square. So heat oil in the pan and then put the bean curd or tofu until it becomes brown. So when it's brown, take it out from the pan and set aside. So meanwhile, we're gonna prepare our pork. So this is our pork with some fat. Wash it very good. Then put some water on it. And add some salt for taste. And let it cook until it becomes dry. So while I'm waiting for my pork, I will cut my Citroen and my green onions. This is needed for the garnish. And then set aside. So now I will cut the bean curd in small pieces. And now I will prepare my pancit. I put my pancit in warm water for minutes and then drain it when it's ready and wash it with cold water so it will not become sticky. Then set aside. Now I will make the sauce using palabok from Mama Sitas. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. So I put water on the pan and put the palabok mix from Mama Sitas. I put 2 of it and mix it very well. Guys, this palabok has no tinapa because in our place it's difficult to find tinapa. This is cornstarch. I want the thick sauce, so I put 1 tablespoon to my sauce to make it more thicker. Because it's nicer when you have a thick sauce for palabok. Like this. Smells good. Sarap. Delicious. So now my pork is almost dry, so I put some oil on it, and then let's stay on the oil until it becomes dark brown. So it means it's now ready. You can take it out from the pan, and then later when it's cold, we're gonna cut it into small pieces. So this is my pork. I will cut it in small pieces, so it will be easy to combine with the other ingredients. And now we go to the shrimp. I will put my garlic on the pan. With oil, of course. Make it a little bit brown. And then I will put shrimp on it. And some salt and pepper, of course. So when it becomes orange, you will take it out from the pan. So this is my shrimp. So meanwhile, also, it is my chicharon. Boiled eggs is now ready. So take off the shells and then cut it into small pieces. Now, voila! Palabok is ready. Put small parts of all the ingredients and mix it well. This food you can also do, make it, as a business. You can put it on a beautiful plate with banana leaves. Then you can sell it. This is very yummy. You can always try it at home. You can prepare it during Christmas, festival, fiesta, something like that. On a special occasion. It's very delicious. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Kain tayo.
Jingle.
Ay, wow!